future generations should always remember, walking on this path, on this border, that once divided our continent, and that we can truly say never again. And you know, colleagues, that our countries 20 years ago was liberated in different way, but in every time, every one country, people were who led. It was the same in the Berlin Wall, because people personally were hammering the wall, trying to destroy it. They had so much enthusiasm. And we can say that in all these places, Slovenia, Estonia, Charles Bridge in Prague, and as you said, Gdańsk shipyard and gate in front of it, and Brandenburger Tor, everywhere people were taking the events in their own hands.